In this video, I'm going to talk to you about the benefits of gut detox and how it can restore more energy. Hello, my name is Dr. Mini Malhotra and I'm a functional medicine practitioner. And in this video, I want to talk to you about the benefits of gut detox and how it can improve your energy and take it to the next level. So, most people, when they think about energy, they do not think about their gut, right? But after doing a lot of research and going through certifications and fellowships, I have found out there are a number of ways that gut detox can really help. If you're feeling run down and need an energy boost, stay tuned because I'm going to share with you all the findings on that with you. So we all know that what it's like to be feeling when you're run down and exhausted after a long day. That means your energy levels are low. And you probably, even though you're eating, you've eaten a good meal or you've eaten recently or you just haven't had that food convert into energy. But what if there was a way to restore your energy and vitality in just a few days? So that can is very, very possible. Okay. So introducing a gut detox is simple yet powerful way to cleanse your gut and restore your health. So by just changing a few things, like increasing more protein, increasing more greens, and there are ready-made solutions too, which have come, which are highly pure and made by really good supplement manufacturer, all natural. Okay, and by removing toxins, harmful bacteria from your system, you can feel more energized because that's what is actually draining your energy because your body is constantly fighting to get rid of those toxins or that bad bacteria in your gut. Okay. And the best part is the gut detox is very simple and easy to follow, and it doesn't require any special equipment or any ingredients. So why not give it a try? And you might be surprised how good you will feel after in just a few days. So in my practice at Anchor Wellness Center, we always start with the gut healing protocol where we do the 5R program, which is remove any foods which are inflammatory or irritant like gluten, dairy, corn, soy. Replace your digestive enzymes, replace your some key nutrients in your diet. Three is repopulate good bacteria because that really helps to heal your gut. Next is repair the gut lining with key nutrients like glutamine and aloe vera or good quality fats, zinc, carnosine, things like that. And five is to rebalance, so reduce stress in your body. So I thanks for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. And I put together another video which also has very good content and I'm sure you'll enjoy it. And if you like my content and you want more, make sure to hit the subscribe button.